We have got a beautiful group of black and whites, and I've decided to do black and white because they're just everywhere. For summertime, it's just such a popular look. We've got some great black and whites. This first one, I'm going to hold it kind of still because it's got a beautiful texture on it, and I'm hoping that camera picks that up. It'd be perfect for like a 922. It's got a little bit of stretch to it, so you could do 923. Just a really great fabric, great drape. It's a cotton poly. All of these fabrics are going to be $14.99, and that would be Thursday and Friday. For 2 days, we'll leave them at $14.99. I put this with it because it would just make a really cute little sheath dress that the jacket could go over. It's we called it Moonburst. It's exactly opposite. It's woven. It's sold by the panel, and a panel is 1 yard. It's beautiful. Again, a cotton poly, very lightweight, just very, very pretty. This is a knit. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly, but it is soft. It's got a slight little crepey texture to it. It's beautiful. Great drape. Just a lovely fabric. This is an iCot. This is 100% cotton. You can see, again, just a great blouse to go with these blacks. It just really makes a bold statement. This fabric is, you know, very limited. We don't have very many, but you can see that beautiful wave pattern all throughout. We had another one that was similar. Both sides are usable on this fabric. It's 100% cotton, and it is a very, very pretty fabric. I hope it's 100% cotton. I think I said that right. Let me just, I'm pretty sure. You have to check I'll make sure the contents are right, but I'm pretty sure it's 100% cotton. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. And then this is a great print. It's 100% poly. Someone said to me, what's the best thing to do with something like this? You know, it's a great blouse. It's a great lining for jackets. You got all kinds of fun things. It's got great drape. Remember, polys are changing. Polys are not what they used to be. So this is just a really fun collection, blacks and whites together. $14.99 today and tomorrow. The goal, of course, you know. Happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.